Hey guys, welcome back to Ranch Life. Today I'm going to be doing day 3 of my spring clean. It's a pretty short video. I only did my bedroom and my master bathroom. I'll be doing the kids' rooms later this week. They're not that bad at all. So anyway, right now I'm just changing the sheets on my bed and I'll be doing quite a bit in here. So stick around if you want to see that. And later this week, I will be doing the home tour. So I really hope y'all subscribe if you want to see that. And as always, I hope that this video gets you motivated and I hope that y'all enjoy.
Made of glass, it seems you're shattering a part of me, and I can take it. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins. My heart is so hollow, your voice is an arrow, making the pain. My heart is so hollow, hollow, hollow. My heart is so hollow, hollow, hollow.
I cannot remember where I got this tip from, but I've been doing it ever since I heard it. I just used an old pillowcase to clean my ceiling fans, just to take all the dust off, because who wants dust flying everywhere? And in hindsight, I should have probably did this before I changed my bedding, but it was already too late, so I'm glad I had the pillowcase.
Empty as your love, incomplete in the space that we go dust. And I can't fix it, you triggered the damage. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins.
Right here, I'm just taking down the baby's playpen. He really doesn't sleep in it yet. He's still too little. So it's kind of just sitting here collecting everything. So I'm just going to take that down, and I'm actually going to bring in my exercise machine because I really need to get started on working out again. I'll set this up later somewhere else, but for right now, it's just collecting things, and so I really don't want it in here. And as you can see here, I am so struggling with it. So like magic, it's gone, and my husband's going to have to deal with it when he gets home.
My heart is so hollow, hollow, hollow. My heart is so hollow. My heart is so hollow.
I'm just cleaning the outside of my vanity. I think for me to clean the inside would be a whole video in itself because I have so much makeup. So anyway, I'm just going to do the outside for today because we would have been here forever if I would have taken everything out and reorganized it. And this is all the stuff that I took out of the playpen, and that's why I didn't want it in here, because there's things in here that I didn't even know we had anymore. So I don't like it when that happens, so I'm just taking everything out and putting it where it needs to go.
I'm so
So right now I'm in my master bathroom and I cleaned this room quite a bit, so it's not too bad, but I really needed to deep clean it. I did not get in the drawers in here either because we just moved in, like I said, and I've been pretty good about making sure that it doesn't get too cluttered. So anyway, I'm just going to wipe everything down, clean the bathtub, clean the shower and the toilet. And it is hard to film me cleaning the shower because it's just a weird angle. I'll try to show you a little bit of it, but I'll definitely show you after it's done. So anyway, I'm going to get started in here.
You are correct. Go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you and me can just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was a feeling never enough for you?
And right here, I'm on the phone with my best friend. She had called me while I was cleaning the bathroom, and I like to make time for little stuff like that because you never know when it's not going to be there. So I'm just talking to her while I'm cleaning the floor, and that's going to wrap this up. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope it got y'all motivated, and I hope y'all subscribe so this week y'all can see the home tour, and I can explain to y'all some stuff that I make and some stuff that I do. Thanks, guys. Bye.
When you left me